Hey guys, welcome to another review of the Ryobi 11 amp 13-inch lawnmower. Picked this one up at the Home Depot here in Canada. Comes with this manual. They're offering 10,000 chance to win 10,000 if you register your tool on the Ryobi site. That's our manual. Of course, inside we have not a lot. Comes pretty much fitted. There's not much to as a matter of fact, you don't even need a tool for this. It's pretty straightforward. This video is longer because I actually, just walked around and did a bunch of stuff that's not even necessary, but I try to get you guys as much info on this as I possibly can, or I possibly could. But yeah, and that's our grass bag. It's not huge, as you can see. It's a pretty small bag. Pulls a lot. From what I've discovered, cutting a lawn a length of 50 feet by I'd say 50 feet in length by maybe 20 feet wide, maximum 30 feet wide in the back, and in the front it's about 30 feet by 10 feet maybe, and the back 50 by 30, like probably 2 times I had to empty the bag. Yeah, so holds a lot of grass. Very light, like anyone can pick this up and walk around with it. As you can see, the handle is pretty much ABC. Installs very quickly. There's not much to it. That's pretty much it right there. that's it. Don't even this could have taken 2 minutes, if even, you know, because all you had to do is remove it from the package, install the handle, and slap the bag on there, and it'll be, yeah, a minute, 2 minutes maximum. But like I said, I try to get in depth with this review. I try to get you guys measurements and all of that on there, as you'll see later on in this video. I think here I'll go ahead and speed it up to taking the measurements so that you guys can see exactly what you're looking at, in case you're planning on storing it in a small space or whatever the case is. 13 inches is what it measures in the front, as it says on the box. Didn't give a length, so I thought I'd get that in there for you guys as well. As you can see, 27 inches, 2 feet 2 inches, 3 inches rather, sorry. And for the back, I think that was 14 inches. I think it's an inch wider than the front. Yeah, so 14 inches now. And for the handle, when it's extended, I think it's 47, 45, let's see, 45 inches. And of course you can loosen those tighteners and break the handle into half. And of course, that's the height of the lawn. It's way taller in the front as you get off the porch, as it is going towards the roadway. So yeah, I think it was the perfect height to test this Ryobi 13-inch lawnmower 11 amp. And like I said, like I mentioned in the title, this lawn, they put this sod down. They put this sod down in just before around Halloween time last year, 2020. So now it's heading into its springtime. So as you can see, this lawn is not even a year old. It's not loud. Could have a conversation with somebody while cutting the lawn. So yeah, lawn is freshly done, so there's no stones or branches or anything that's gonna, like go flying to hit the little guy or anything. So yeah, I already checked that, and yeah, he just likes to be involved. Pretty light and easy to handle. As you can see, I pretty much use my one hand to push it up, back and forth. And here, as you can see, I didn't have the proper length. I ordered the cable, but I haven't received it yet due to COVID, and wait times are like crazy on most things that you order these days. So I had to do what I had to do to, as you can see, the lawn was getting out of control. So and of course, little man's awake, so he decided he wants in on this review. As you can see, it's doing its job. For a small mower like that, it's just whipping through that tall grass. Yeah. I had no issues cutting through this grass, as you can see. If you listen, you'll hear if it was like wagon struggling to cut the taller grass. And of course, I should have ran the cable on the opposite side of me, and it'll be out of the way. But yeah, I guess I'm just didn't thought of that at the time. Look at that, just ripping through it. And there you have it, guys, the Ryobi 13-inch 11-amp mower. It's a pretty good mower, and I would recommend it to anyone who's got a small lawn and looking to get a small mower. Would be nicer if it was the cordless one, but